Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this summer warm Arabic look for you. I'm starting off by using this champagne colour from the NYX Phoenix palette, and I'm applying this on the inner part of the lid. Next I'm taking this orange colour and I'm applying this next to the champagne colour and also in my crease. I'm just pressing down the colour first and then in the crease going back and forth, blending it out. And I'm using a fluffy blending brush for this. Now taking this top colour, which is a red, and I'm applying this on the outer part of the eye. I'm just patting the colour on first and then I'm going to use circle motions to blend it out. And I'm going up along the tape to extend the eye out. Now taking the Maybelline Gel Eyeliner and I'm going to start my eyeliner. So as always, I always start by creating a line along the lash line, and then once that's done, I start on my wing. So since we're using tape today, it's going to be a lot much easier because you can use the tape as a guide. So I'm just going to create a line along the tape and then another line just above it to create a triangle shape and then fill it in. I'm now going to curl my lashes and apply the Ardell 811 lashes, and then I'm going to use some Kohl pencil in my waterline. Here I'm taking that red colour again and I'm using this on a pencil brush and smudging this along my lower lash line. This is the NYX glitter primer and I'm going to apply this in the centre of the lid so our glitter has something to stick to. And the glitter I'm using is by Barry M in the shade Angel Wings, and I'm just applying this on top of the primer that we just applied. I'm also going to be applying this in the inner corner of my eye at the bottom, just a small amount. And then just to finish off the look, I'm going to apply mascara to my top and bottom lashes. And this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!